Electricity powers our homes, our cities, our factories, our future. But it doesn't work alone. Skilled technicians are the ones who make it move, who give it purpose. Train to become one at Universal Technical Institute, where the electrical programs are built for hands-on problem solvers, tech enthusiasts, and those who want a career that matters. Choose from 4 paths: electrical and electronics, robotics and automation, industrial maintenance, or wind turbine. No prior experience is required. You can start from scratch and graduate with the knowledge these industries depend on in less than 1 year. Here, you won't sit on the sidelines. From day one, you'll start learning exactly what you need for the career you want. In hands-on labs that mirror real working environments, you'll put electrical theory into practice, wiring circuits, troubleshooting controls, programming automated systems, and more. You know, the stuff the pros do. Whether it's industrial robotics, renewable energy systems, automated machinery, or electronic controls, you'll get hands-on with the same tech used across the field. This hands-on approach prepares you for a career after graduation and helps you train for industry certifications from organizations employers trust, like the National Center for Construction Education and Research. If you're charging toward a future shaped by technology, power, and possibility, electrical training at Universal Technical Institute can be your starting point.